Yo guys, so Saberattack here today. Not too much went on in Comp Sci this week, sorry. So to get you basically how this is gonna run is every week I'm just gonna introduce myself, what went on this week. So I actually only went to one computer science class this week because it was literally just one. Only assigned 2 assignments from it. I was told to read chapter 1 and do a few examples. Um, so far, I read chapter 1 and I did the assignments, and I'll show them to you right now. Let me minus that. Alright, here we go. What was this one? Course. Oh, that was just. Okay, so this was just a small assignment I was supposed to do. As you can see here, we have just. This is basically what he said we should always do in a program: introduce ourselves. What is this topic? What is the goal here? We have a class. That's what you need it to be in Java. Again, most of this Java course is review to me. Actually, it's not review because I program apps still. It's kind of like just spare things to do. Class, we declare the class. Inside the class, we have our public static void main. All that means is that it's a public class, meaning it can be accessed by any other class that asks for it if it's packaged in there. Static meaning, well, 1 minute. I'll get back to static meaning. Void doesn't return anything. So we actually cannot have a return statement. And it's just, you always have to have a main function. So, and in here we have what it's going to basically take in if we were going to call this function. We're going to take in a string of arguments. So, and all we're doing is printing out computer science 112, printing out a system.out.print line. If you guys were to see, if I just did print like that, basically it would just print on the same line as a, because that is just a single line. So yeah, you can do that, or you can do backslash, and that'll also do a new line. But anyway, yeah, so we just have our print statements. And that was basically all for that assignment. Yeah, save it, share. What is first? Oh, that was I think that was one he gave us to test. Course class. Nope, don't want that actually. Where is the? Here we go. This is what I actually had to send into him for homework. So you guys can. I don't know if you guys can see that. Put it up on half the screen. And I'll keep this half right here. Yep, so here. Actually, I don't like that. There we go. Now you guys can see me better. Alright. It was the first one, or actually, this is the one where I just had to do the school, the Virginia Wesleyan. That was pretty easy. It's just spacing it out. And that's what you'll see when you output it. This is what you'll see if the one I showed you the first time. That's what you'll see in that one. Pretty simple stuff. It's nothing too big. That's why today's video is going to be really short. In fact, this is actually wrapping up the video. So yeah, that was just the first week in computer science 112. In combination of computer science, I'm going to show you guys what I do programming on the side. So I wonder if I have it on here. If I do, it'll be in a hidden document. DAR. That wasn't what I wanted to do. Yeah. One moment. Okay, but anyway, guys. Looks like I don't have it on here. But I could have sworn. Did I change it? I didn't change the IP. Okay. Then never mind. I was going to show you guys something, but it appears I didn't do it on this computer. I don't have a VPN on. Actually, I knew that, but I was being an idiot. Okay. Anyway, as you can see, I'm connected to the VWC network, and that's the IPv4 address, subnet mask. Yeah. That's another thing. I already know a lot about networking, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nothing.
I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Like and subscribe for more. I'll see you later.